Hello everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to fix the Microsoft Teams You Need a New App to Open This error on Windows. First, open the Start menu and go to Settings. After that, click Apps, then Open Installed Apps. In the search bar, type Microsoft Teams. Make sure you select the work or school version if you have multiple Teams apps installed. Now click the three dots next to Microsoft Teams and choose Advanced Options. Scroll down until you see the Repair button. Click Repair and wait for Windows to finish the process. This will fix damaged app files without removing your data. Once the repair is complete, try opening Microsoft Teams again. If the error still appears, go back to the same page and click Reset. Resetting the app will restore Teams to default settings and can fix deeper problems. If the issue continues, the next step is to reinstall Microsoft Teams. Open Installed Apps again, find Microsoft Teams, click the three dots, and choose Uninstall. After the uninstall is complete, restart your computer. When your PC turns back on, download the latest version of Microsoft Teams from the official Microsoft website and install it normally. After installation, sign in again and check if the error is fixed. If you need to use Teams immediately, you can also open your browser and go to the Teams webpage. This lets you use Microsoft Teams without the desktop app while you troubleshoot the problem. Thanks for watching.